I'm Lisa Prince with the North Carolina Egg Association, and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite sauces, hollandaise. It uses just the egg yolks, so save those whites because you can always make an egg white omelet, meringue, cookies, or even candied nuts. I'm going to start by putting my egg whites into the blender. I'm just using a stand blender, but if you have a submersible blender, that works too. So we're going to add in our egg yolks. Put in a little Dijon mustard, about a teaspoon. This is optional. You can always leave it out. You can always try other flavorings like white pepper, black pepper, whatever you like. Then I'm going to put in some lemon juice, fresh squeezed, a little salt, and I like a little heat, so I'm going to put in some cayenne. I'm going to put in a little more cayenne. All right, you blend this together just until it's combined. Next step, take the top off of the center of your blender, and I'm gonna slowly pour in hot butter. It can't be just melted butter, you want the butter to be hot. And then our eggs are gonna emulsify and bring all the ingredients together of the sauce. I'm gonna turn the blender on and slowly add in the butter. Got to give it a little taste, check the seasoning. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna add just a little more cayenne. Give it one more blend. And there you have homemade hollandaise sauce.